Big things are coming this summer, so if you like folding smartphones, you better pay attention. As Samsung is set to introduce its next generation of foldable smartphones in July 2025, talk about the Galaxy Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 is already intensifying. Following the relatively minor modifications from the previous year, Samsung seems to be reaching for the stars, and the rumor mill is working overtime. One of the most important subjects of debate is thickness, or rather its lack. According to Bookstyle, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a possibility to become the thinnest foldable smartphone around. You heard that. It's true. It has been leaked that the Z Fold May 7th only be 8.2 millimeters thick when folded. Compared to the Oppo Find N5, which is now the thinnest foldable available, this would make it 0.7 millimeters thinner. That would be a substantial 30% reduction over the Galaxy's Fold 6 of the previous year, which folds to 12.1 millimeters in thickness. It's a whole transformation, not just a little trim. Think of keeping a comfortable, foldable phone in your pocket. If aficionados have been hoping for a more comfortable and stylish folding, this may be the game changer they've been searching for. However, to keep realism, not everyone is convinced. Prior leaks said that the Z Fold 7 will have a thickness of around 9.5 millimeters, which made more sense. Some find it hard to understand how Samsung was able to keep it this thin without compromising the core features that make the Fold series so remarkable. It's almost miraculous. The Z Fold 7 has more to offer than simply style and thinness, according to the Greek tech website Techmaniacs. Additionally, it will be quite powerful. They have an exclusive tip that tells us what we may expect. An 8-inch foldable inner display for media and multitasking. A 6.5-inch cover display for easy one-handed use. Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset underneath. A 200-megapixel primary camera, and the same high-end shooter found on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. When opened, this Fold 7 would also be slimmer on each side than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Fold Special Edition, maybe by 4 millimeters. It's receiving a whole fitness transformation, not simply weight loss. Still, for those who are keeping count at home, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 won't be Samsung's next major flagship gadget to enter shelves. That honor goes to the Galaxy S25 Edge, reported to be coming out on May 13th. In July, the foldables will continue to advance at full pace. In any case, 2025 is clearly going to be an exciting year for fans of Samsung. There are a lot of things to look forward to between the next flagship phones and an extremely thin foldable. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.